So okay, you see, that's a turbo, and then down there, that's a starter. You see the big cable is going through? That's a red one. So it's a positive. And on the top, you just hear it like this. Few times. And if you have somebody to try to crank the truck on that time, it's gonna work for sure. But if you don't have nobody, just pick it like here, then immediately go to start.